So this just came in the mail today. It's my new, inspired by Gibson, Epiphone Explorer. I haven't bought an electric guitar in a long time, so I'm really excited. And I thought it'd be fun to unbox it together to kind of see how it came from Sweetwater, how it gets packaged, you know, my initial thoughts. And also, we're going to play it a little bit and see what it sounds like. If you want to skip just to the unboxing or my initial thoughts, or just to hear the sounds, the initial sounds I can get out of the guitar, you can skip forward down below. I will have timestamps for everything. But let's open this bad boy and see what we got. More of this. It's like really, I'm gonna say this. It's like really thick padding. Okay, so there it is. Wrapped up, one little dent in the front. We'll see if there's any kind of damage or anything. Hopefully not. But wrapped and sealed from Sweetwater. By the way, this video not sponsored. I'm not affiliated with Epiphone or Gibson or Sweetwater, but I order a lot of stuff from Sweetwater, so I'm always pimping them out. So let's open it up. Well, that thing was packaged very nicely, man. There's no way this thing damaged. I'd be very surprised because that thing was in there. So let's unwrap this bad boy. I'm excited, man. Oh, it looks perfect. And I'm not a guitar guru. I'm not a professional player. I am not a guitar engineer or anything. But I've been playing for, God, since I was 12 years old. Been playing a long time. This is a hobbyist at home. And, oh, dude. Oh, yeah, man. This is cool. Oh, it looks so good. It looks so good. And there's probably a peely thing on the pick guard here, but I'm not going to get to that just yet. But let's take a look at it. I mean, everything looks good. The action looks good from... Yeah. Now the question is, the real question is, did it come in tune? No, not at all. Okay, so before we play it, just really quick initial thoughts. Not super heavy. You can see this Parker behind me. That's what I've been playing forever, a Parker Nightfly that's really light. And I haven't owned a ton of guitars, but you know, I've played a couple Gibsons, and they're always just like a little heavy, and the necks are a little fat for me, even though I have pretty big hands for like a smaller guy, for a smaller guitar player. I've always liked thinner necks. I don't know why. So this is perfect. It looks great. No kind of imperfections or anything that I can see, and I'm not really a stickler for that kind of stuff. I like to play them. So if they get scratched, it gets scratched. I don't really care. So that being said, I'm going to tune it, plug it in, and we'll play around and see how it sounds. Let me reiterate, I am not a professional guitar player. I mean, it sounds good, dude. I mean, the crunch is unreal. Dude, it's disgusting. It sounds perfect. It's just like exactly what I wanted. I wanted like 80s thrash Metallica, but also can do like some rock and roll stuff, you know? It's awesome. I love it. Very, very, very cool guitar. And thanks to Sweetwater for getting it here so quick. They're amazing. I'm Chris Cruz. Thanks for watching. Keep making stuff.